Okay, let's open it. So we've gone to open this bit. Hello iDubbbz, welcome back to Ira-leigh's world. So today we're going to be opening this exciting new toy made by Patel called Cloudees. But before we get started, subscribe and hit the notification bell button to get my latest videos, and give this video a big thumbs up, just like this one. This, we have 14 magical Cloudees to collect. Open it up and see what's inside. So we've got one of those tear things. Okay, open. Wow! That looks really cool and cute. I love the cute little face because it has like little cloud eyebrows and it's cute. In this box we have surprises. Let's open it up. Put my finger through here. Ooh. First off, we have a keychain for this to put on there. And we have this big blind bag. And it's got one of the I think it's got some surprises in here. I'm so excited. I'm going to keep this blind bag till last because I want to get opening this Cloudie. So we've got instructions on the back. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first, pour water in it. Then 2, push the pin into it so it keeps it all safe, the water. 3, give a shake for 60 seconds. And 4, you get it. Reveal your surprise. So I'm so excited to see who I'm going to get. I see the little pin. It's got a cute cloud on it with a cute face. And also we have the instructions of the Cloudees and the other instructions. So we've got Raindrop Village, we have Stormy Vale, Sunny Land, Starry Way, Rainbow Point, Snowflake Hills, and Windy Way. All the little animals are so cute. Out of the 14 characters on here, guys, one of the surprise characters are going to be inside this clouds box. Before we get started, we need some water. Voila! First, I'm going to add some water to the cloud box. There we go. Then I'm going to pop this on top without spilling it with all my strength. Then we're going to have this pin, then poke this right through, like that. Then we're going to do the shake time. Phew, it's done. The exciting part. Let's see what Cloudie we have inside. I wonder which one it's going to be. I am just so excited. Okay, let's open it. So we've gone to open this bit. Whoa! Oh my! Whoa, look at her! It looks like she's a bat. And look at all this cloud stuff. That's really cool. Look at it. Wow. Guys, we have Loopy Bat from Ira-leigh. She looks so cute. Let's get this opened. Wow. She looks so sleepy. And she's got like little magic dust in her hair. Let's stand her up, you guys. If you're wondering where she stands up right here. Put it here. And click it in. Just like that. This stuff is so good. I can have it as a pillow. Oh, it's so fluffy and soft. Oh, Oh, ooh. Right, let's get opening this blind bag then. I'm so excited to see what accessories she has. Ooh, I see some hair. Ooh, something fluffy. Whoa. This is her little tail actually. This is a cute little fluffy tail. So fluffy. It's so cute. Let's put it by here. So you should have this like little clip thing where you put it through here. Ooh, there you go. She's so cute like that. Next one. Oh, my word. Oh, look at those. They're so cute. They're night masks to go to sleep. And look at it. It's got cute little eyes like this. And it's got like three little stars above its head. And it's nice and blue. And it looks like it's a cloud. Let's put it on her. Let's click it on her like this. She looks adorable. Look at her. Aww. Next one. I see some slippers. Slippers are awesome. I love wearing them. Oh, look at these cute ones. They've got one star on it, and it's like a cloud. So cute. Let's just put these on. Oh, oh. Look at her. And what's this? We've got a sticker. Wonder what that is. Loopy Bat is just so cute, she is. She's adorable. I love her fluffy tail and it's so curly. She's got like tons of curls. I love her night mask. I wish I had one. Those slippers just go well. It looks like she's going for a bat out. Now I figured out what this cloud stick is for. It's for the container lid. Let me show you. So you put it on here to seal it. It is. Put it on the hole, and there you've got a cute little cloud on your little hole. Also, you have a keyring attached to it, so you can carry it around. There you go, my little iDubbbz. Your own personalised handbag. I'm off now to buy some accessories. Thank you. There you have it, my little iDubbbz. Hope you liked this video. Stay safe, love you all, and peace out.